Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily mute someone on Instagram Messenger. So if you want to stop annoying Instagram messages or you want to take control of your Instagram its inbox, you can just mute annoying Instagram DMs by following my steps right here. So first you can just launch the Instagram app, and in here you can go to your DMs directly. Just swipe to the left or just click on this messenger icon at the top right corner, and then here the muted DMs will shown like this. There will be this bell with cross icon on the DMs. So what you need to do to mute this to mute a person or someone on Instagram, you can just long press on the chat in here on the conversation. There will be this pop up, so you can just tap on the mute messages. Here there are four options offered by Instagram. You can mute them for 1 hour only, for 8 hours, 24 hours, or until you change it. So that means if you choose the last one in here, if you don't change the setting, that means you will mute that person as long as you like or forever. So for example, I'm going to just set it for 24 hours. As you guys can see, there will be this bell with cross icon in the DMs. You can also mute the calls on not only the messages, so you can long press again and there will be this option mute calls. So when they try to call you using this DM or on Instagram, it will be muted so it doesn't annoy you or disturb you. Here you can also set the time. You can just choose the time that you like. Okay, so it's a different from a mute contact. So if you want to mute like stories or posts, it can do it separately by going to their profiles in here. You can click on their profiles. You can go to their profiles, click on this following button, and there will be this mute. So when you click on this arrow here, there will be these options. You can mute posts, stories, exclusive story promos, notes, or notes on posts and reels. So you can mute the account story here. So that's all for me. That's how you can mute someone's DM. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment if you have any question. Also click on the subscribe and thanks button to keep supporting our channel. Bye.